Are drones about to be banned in the US? And if so, what options do you have as a drone operator? G'day friends, I've been operating drones in Australia for years now, and although this legislation only affects the US at the moment, we find that Australia tends to follow suit with these kind of things, so I'm worried about how it's going to affect Australia as well in the long run. So if you're in the US, what does all this banning talk actually mean? The Countering CCP Drones Act, introduced by Congresswoman Elise Stefanik, seeks to restrict DJI drones from operating in the US by adding them to the FCC covered list, and this is going to be voted on sometime this summer. So what this means is DJI will be prohibited from operating on the US soil. And the people that support this bill seem to think that DJI offer a threat to national security. They're worried that the Chinese government is going to use this DJI drone technology to spy on the US citizens and also the operations out of the US. But what's come to light lately is that there is a drone manufacturer in the US called Skydio that has allegedly spent large sums of money in support of this bill. Obviously, if this is true, then Skydio will make a lot of money because they're basically knocking out a big chunk of their competition by having DJI banned. So they have a lot to gain by the banning of DJI drones. But as a photographer, how does this actually affect you directly? Obviously, without DJI driving the market in drone technology, you're going to have to settle for a different brand of drone to keep doing your business. This obviously could mean a cost increase or a technology decrease. So some of the things that DJI drones do, these other drones may not do, that you might use on a daily basis. So you're going to have to change the way you do your business, and also it's probably going to affect how much it costs to run your business, because you may have to buy a more expensive drone to get the similar features that you had before. And obviously with drone companies that aren't DJI, you've got limited choice about which type of drone you can buy because their range of drones is a lot less. DJI have a large range of drones you can purchase from right now. So you're thinking, well, what if the bill's passed? Do I have to throw away my drone? Do I have to buy something else? Well, no, because all DJI drones that are currently in the US are automatically approved. So if you have a drone already, you can obviously keep using this drone going forward. The problem is in 2 years, 3 years, or a year, you can't upgrade your drone to another DJI brand because they won't be allowed. So should you go and rush out and buy yourself a DJI drone now because they're still available? Maybe. Just before this bill goes through, if it does, DJI drones will probably go up in price somewhere in the range of 30%. And if this bill gets passed and DJI drones are banned, then drones that are already on American soil will go up in price as well. And the used market of DJI drones will skyrocket for the short term anyway. So someone out there wants to go out and buy a whole bunch of DJI drones before this happens, they'll probably make a good deal of money later on. I think this is more of a government control thing than it is a drone security issue. I think government has more to worry about what the general public are doing with their drones on American soil already than having to worry about what drones are coming into the country. But that's just me, I could be wrong. I know one thing, it's definitely going to hurt the photography industry and video industry in the US. And there's going to be a lot of livelihoods that are actually broken or changed because of this ban. And keep in mind, DJI are the market leaders in drone tech. So once you can't get your hands on them, you're going to have to settle for different brands like Skydio, Autel or Parrot. You may also want to keep in mind that Autel are a Chinese-based company as well, and they may be part of the ban if it goes through. But at the moment, you can safely fly your drones without restrictions, besides the normal ones. And if you already have a DJI drone or another drone and you want to make money from it, I've done a video right here on how to make money shooting drone photos for real estate. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.